Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're back onto the LT50 project now. I've pretty much done every repair video I want to do. So now it's a matter of stripping it down. I'm going to do a full engine rebuild, which I'm going to go through step by step. Also, I want to look at modifying. So when I put it back together, I'm going to make a custom exhaust. I'm going to jet it. I'm going to obviously drill the intake port like a lot of people do to these, to obviously for racing and stuff, make them go a bit quicker. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. The next thing I'm going to do then is, while it's stripped, I'm going to get the frame powder coated, get it all cleaned up. I'm still trying to think of a color scheme for it. I don't know whether to keep it original or whether to do something funky with it. So I'd love your guys' opinion. Make sure you put it down in the comments. We'll run through all that in this video. And basically, this is just a tear down. But yeah, I thought it'd be interesting for you guys to see the next part of the project. So yeah, let's take a look.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then guys, so in this video we're going to basically tear down this quad to bare bones, so obviously we can get the engine ready to be stripped. Obviously I'll get it all out the quad, get it all stripped. I want to get the frame powder coated. I haven't decided on colour yet. So I basically wanted to ask a little bit of help off you guys, and I wanted you to kind of help me pick the colour scheme of this quad. So with the colour schemes on these quads, there isn't a lot of choice out there, but my options really are obviously keep original and go obviously red and blue, which is obviously what it is now, but obviously, you know, with all new. The next option obviously is the newer ones. Then they went white and blue, which I'm not a huge fan of, but that's the next colour. Then they went yellow and blue. I do like the yellow and blue, so I'm kind of torn between that. And then obviously the newest ones, they went yellow and black. So that's kind of the original colours, but you know, I like to think we could go a bit funky with this and maybe do something different. Now I do like the LT250Rs. Now I don't know if you've seen them before, but they are a really funky looking quad. And it is the yellow and blue, but basically it's got a blue frame and a blue engine and everything. So I got a couple of ideas. I have kind of dabbled with the ideas of getting the engine Cerakoted and different things. So like I say, I just want people's opinion. Now, you know, I don't have to go any of them colours. You know, there is a last option of pretty much anything. I'm sure I could get black plastic somewhere, or just go yellow and then graphic it up whatever colour I want. Obviously the Marty's Workshop logo is going on this quad, but apart from that, I'm pretty open to whatever we do. So like you say, when it comes to powder coating and all that with the frame and the bars and everything, we can do whatever colour we want. So yeah, I'm going to leave that up to you guys, and put a comment down below. Tell me what your favourite colour is. Tell me any kind of funky colour combinations you think would be cool on this quad. And yeah, I'll definitely take all comments into consideration when I basically decide my colour scheme. So yeah, hopefully you guys will have some good ideas and kind of point me in a direction that to get me going. So yeah. So obviously with this teardown now, you know, it's not a difficult quad to tear down, so I don't see the point in doing a tutorial. So what I'm going to do now basically is just do a time lapse of me tearing this quad to pieces. It's not going to take long. And pretty much every video all the videos I've shown you, the only thing I haven't really shown you guys is how to take the engine out, but it's only a couple of bolts, so I'm sure you can manage that. But yeah, I'll try and get as close as I can with the camera, and yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Right then guys, so she's all completely stripped down now, ready to go. So like I said, the next videos I'm going to look at now is going to be obviously modifying the frame for the front weight. I'm going to look at obviously getting it ready for powder coat, but also the next big videos are going to be the engine strip. I'm probably going to do it in a couple of parts, so yeah, keep an eye out for that. And like I said before, you know, if you guys got any sort of color scheme or ideas of what, you know, I should do to this quad, I'm really open to ideas, so yeah, put it down in the comments. Let me know what you think of these videos, guys. I really appreciate all your feedback, and it really helps my analytics. And remember, hit the like button, obviously subscribe to the channel. You need to stay tuned if you're interested in this quad, because I am going to raffle it off through the channel. More information coming soon on that. So yeah, like I said, stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.